Sara, come in. Close the door, please.
Sure. Is everything okay?
Everything's fine. Sit down.
Okay. You're making me nervous, Roger.
Don't be. This is good news.
Good news?
We want to offer you the team lead position.
Wait, me?
Yes, you. You've earned this.
I don't know what to say.
Say yes. You're ready for this, Sara.
Am I, though?
You handled the Preston account better than anyone.
That was one project.
One project, and 3 others this year.
I need to think.
That's fair. Take a few days.
How many days do I have?
Let's say 1 week. Does that work?
Yes. 1 week. Thank you, Roger.
Hey, you look pale. What happened?
Roger just offered me the team lead job.
Wait, seriously? Sara, that's huge.
I know. I don't know if I can do it.
Of course you can. Why not?
I've never managed anyone before.
You basically already do. People ask you for help all the time.
That's different from being someone's boss.
Is it, though?
I think so. What if I mess it up?
What if you don't?
That's not really an answer, John.
Okay, fair. When do you have to decide?
1 week.
That's not much time.
Tell me about it.
Just, don't say no because you're scared.
I'll try not to.
John told me the news. Congratulations.
I haven't said yes, yet.
Why not? This is a great opportunity.
I'm not sure I'm ready, Jane.
Nobody feels ready. I didn't when I got promoted.
You got promoted?
2 years ago. To senior coordinator.
I didn't know that.
I almost said no too.
What changed your mind?
My old manager. She told me something useful.
What did she say?
You don't need to be ready. You need to be willing.
That's actually kind of comforting.
It helped me a lot back then.
Did you struggle after you started?
For the first month? Definitely.
Great. That's reassuring.
So, have you thought more about it?
All I do is think about it.
And?
I keep imagining messing up in front of everyone.
What exactly are you scared of?
Making the wrong call on a big project.
You already make calls like that. Just not officially.
But if I'm wrong now, it's just me.
And if you're wrong as a lead?
Then it's the whole team.
That's a heavier weight, I get it.
Exactly. What if they don't respect me?
Who, the team?
Some of them are older than me, John.
Age doesn't equal respect. Results do.
I hope you're right.
I usually am.
Don't push it. Can I ask you a few questions about the role?
Of course. Go ahead.
Who would be on my team?
5 people, including Jane and 2 new hires.
What about salary?
A 12% raise, plus a yearly bonus.
And if it doesn't work out?
What do you mean?
What if I try it and I'm not good at it?
Then we talk and we adjust. It's not a trap, Sara.
Will I get any training?
2 weeks with the regional manager, plus ongoing support from me.
That helps. Can I talk to the last person who had this role?
Sure, I'll set that up.
Thank you.
You're taking this seriously. I like that.
It's a big decision.
It is. Take your time.
Hey, how'd the meeting with Roger go?
Good, actually. He answered a lot of my questions.
And?
There's a raise. Training. Even a mentor.
That sounds pretty solid.
It does.
So what's stopping you now?
Honestly, I think it's just fear.
Fear of what, exactly?
Fear of finding out I'm not as good as everyone thinks.
Sara, you wouldn't have been offered this if you weren't good.
Maybe they just needed someone available.
Stop that. You know that's not true.
You're right. I know you're right.
So?
So I need to stop finding reasons to say no.
That's the Sara I know.
We'll see if she shows up next week.
Sara, can you look at this client email? I'm not sure how to answer it.
Sure, let me see.
The client wants the deadline moved up by a week.
A full week? That's tight.
I know. What should I tell them?
Let me check with the team first.
Okay. You're already doing this, you know.
Doing what?
Making the calls. Leading the team.
This is different. This is just helping out.
Is it, though?
Don't start, Jane.
Sorry.
Let's just focus on the client for now.
Right. So, can we actually meet the new deadline?
I think so, if everyone helps out this week.
I'll tell the client we're checking.
Good. I'll talk to the team this afternoon.
Sara, I heard about the client's new deadline.
Yes, it's tight, but we're handling it.
Good. By the way, your decision is due Friday.
I remember.
No pressure. Just checking in.
It feels like pressure.
Fair enough. I'll stop mentioning it.
No, it's fine. I appreciate the reminder.
How's the client situation looking?
We might make it. It depends on tomorrow.
Let me know if you need anything.
Actually, can Jane and I use the small meeting room tomorrow morning?
Of course. I'll book it for you.
Thanks, Roger.
You're already managing this like a lead, you know?
Was that on purpose?
Maybe a little.
Noted.
Sara, we have a problem.
What's wrong?
The numbers I sent the client this morning were wrong.
Wrong how?
I used last month's data by mistake.
Okay. Okay, don't panic.
This is bad, right?
It's fixable. Let's just fix it.
I'm really sorry, Sara.
It's not your fault alone. I should have double-checked it.
You're already thinking like a lead again.
Not now, John.
Sorry. What do we do?
I'll call the client and correct it myself.
Right now?
Right now, before they notice.
Okay. I'm right here if you need me.
Thanks. Let's fix this. Hi, this is Sara. I'm calling about the numbers from this morning.
Wait, is that the client on speaker?
Yes. There was an error in the report.
Oh no.
I've corrected it, and I'm sending the right version now.
What did they say?
They appreciated the quick fix, actually.
Really? That's a relief.
They said mistakes happen as long as we're honest about it.
You handled that so calmly.
I didn't feel calm.
You sounded calm.
That's acting, Jane.
Well, good acting.
I just didn't want John to feel worse than he already did.
That was kind of you.
It's just the right thing to do.
Sara, that's exactly what a good lead does.
Hey. Thank you for covering for me earlier.
You don't need to thank me.
I do. You didn't have to fix my mistake.
We're a team. That's how it works.
You know, watching you handle that call.
What about it?
You didn't panic. You just solved it.
I panicked on the inside.
Nobody could tell.
I guess that's something.
Sara, I think you already answered your own question.
What question?
Whether you're ready.
Maybe I am.
You are.
It still scares me.
Good. That means you actually care.
Yes. I think it does.
Friday's here. Have you decided?
I have.
And?
I'll take the position.
That's great news, Sara.
I do have a few conditions, though.
Okay, let's hear them.
I want the 2 weeks of training you mentioned.
Already planned.
And regular check-ins with you for the first 3 months.
I was going to suggest that anyway.
One more thing.
Go ahead.
I want to keep John and Jane close to my projects.
Why is that?
They make me better at my job. I trust them.
That's a good reason. Done.
Then yes. I'm ready.
Welcome to the team lead role, Sara.
Thank you, Roger, for believing in me. John, I said yes.
You did. Sara, that's amazing.
I did. I'm still a little scared.
That's normal. That means it matters to you.
I asked Roger to keep you and Jane close to my projects.
You did that?
I need people I trust around me.
That means a lot, Sara.
You've helped me more than you know.
So when does it start?
Monday.
This Monday.
This Monday.
Well, we better celebrate today, then.
I could use a coffee, honestly.
My treat. Team lead can't buy her own coffee on day 1.
I'm not team lead until Monday.
Fine. Almost team lead can't buy her own coffee.
Nervous for Monday?
A little. Okay, a lot.
That's allowed.
What if I make a mistake in my first week?
You will. Everyone does.
Thanks for the confidence boost.
I mean it. It's not about never messing up.
Then what is it about?
Showing up anyway, and fixing what you can.
I can do that.
You already did, this week.
I guess I did.
So, ready for Monday?
Yes. I think I actually am.
Good. Because your team's lucky to have you.
Let's hope they still think that in a month.
They will.
Thanks, Jane. For everything.
Watch the next lesson on the end screen now.